welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 15th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is verbs, right? So बात करते हैं verbs के बारे में, right? So what are verbs? First of all, let me tell you. Verbs are basically the action words, right? All the doing words are known as the verbs. Whatever action we are performing, just like bathing, drinking, eating, playing, sleeping, and many more things, right? All those are considered as the verbs. Now, let us begin with the chapter and see कि हमें verbs के बारे में और क्या-क्या चीजें बताई जा रही हैं. So, a verb is a doing word which tells us something about the subject. कि एक verb एक ऐसा doing word होता है जो कि हमें subject के बारे में बता रहा होता है. That is a person or thing in a sentence, right? चाहे वो sentence में कोई person हो या फिर कोई thing हो, it is determined as the subject और verb हमें उस subject के ही बारे में बताती है. Verb is the most important part of a sentence. कि verb जो है वो एक sentence का सबसे important part है. No sentence can be formed without a verb. कि verb के बिना कोई भी sentence नहीं बनाया जा सकता है. A verb tells us कि एक verb हमें बताता है what the subject does. कि एक subject क्या कर रहा है. As Shreya sings, right? What the subject is, कि एक subject क्या है, right? जैसे कि he is a player. What is done to the subject, कि subject के साथ क्या किया जा रहा है, उसके साथ क्या हुआ है. जैसे कि the watch is lost, right? Next, what the subject has, कि subject के पास क्या चीज है, right? Such as she has brown hair, color, right? Next, the nature of the sentence tells us what the verb is doing. कि जो sentence का nature है वो हमें बताता है कि verb actually क्या है, right? उस sentence में कि जो subject है वो actually क्या कर रहा है. Now we have the kinds of verb. तो अब बात करते हैं verbs के kinds के बारे में. So it is there are two kinds of verbs. Total 2 तरीके के verbs होते हैं. This transitive verbs and intransitive verbs, right? So अब बात की जाए transitive verbs के बारे में. So it is action verbs can have an object. कि action words के पास एक object हो सकता है. The object is the person or thing that is affected by the action. कि जो object है person या फिर thing जो कि action से affect होता है, right? In this case, the action of the verb passes from the subject to the object. In cases में जो verb का action है वो subject से object की तरफ pass on किया जाता है. These verbs are known as transitive verbs. इसीलिए इन verbs को हम transitive verbs के नाम से जानते हैं. Next, read the transitive verbs in the following sentences. अब जल्दी से transitive verbs में इन सभी sentences को पढ़ते हैं, right? So it is I opened the door. They are building a house. Priya likes her younger sister. I shall write a letter, right? तो हमने देखा कि इन सभी sentences में verb के पास एक subject भी है और साथ ही साथ एक object भी है, right? That is why they are known as the transitive verbs. Next, we have intransitive verbs. So, अब ये intransitive verbs क्या है? Let's see. Intransitive verbs do not have an object. कि intransitive verbs के पास object नहीं होता है. The action of the verb does not passes to anyone or anything but remains with the subject. कि जो verb का action होता है वो pass नहीं किया जाता किसी को भी या किसी भी person को किसी भी thing को पर वो सिर्फ subject के साथ ही रहता है. Right? So read the intransitive verbs in the following sentences. अब जल्दी से इन sentences में intransitive verbs को पढ़ते हैं और समझते हैं. So it is the baby cries. I am tired. The telephone rang. The rain has stopped. Right? Some verbs can either be transitive or intransitive. कि कुछ verbs या तो transitive हो सकती है और intransitive भी हो सकती है. Sometimes the transitive meaning and the intransitive meaning are different. कि कभी-कभी जो transitive meaning और intransitive meaning होते हैं वो अलग-अलग होते हैं. Right? So, now we have remember it. So it says to find out whether a verb is transitive or intransitive, ask the question what or whom after the verb. कि जब हमें पता लगाना हो कि एक वर्ब ट्रांजिटिव है या फिर इनट्रांजिटिव है तो हमें क्वेश्चन पूछना है व्हाट या फिर whom आफ्टर द वर्ब के बाद. इफ देयर इज एन आंसर द वर्ब इज ट्रांजिटिव. कि क्वेश्चन पूछने के बाद अगर हमें आंसर मिल जाता है दैट मीन्स वो वर्ब ट्रांजिटिव है. राइट? Now, we have difference between the transitive verbs and intransitive verbs over here. So they say, John spoke the truth. He rang the bell. The driver stopped the car. Right? Now, moving up to the intransitive verbs at the same time, they say, he spoke angrily. The bell rang. The car stopped. Right? So, sometimes an intransitive verb takes an object which is similar in meaning to the verb. कि कभी-कभी एक intransitive verb एक object को अपने साथ ले लेती है जो कि meaning में similar नहीं होता है. Right? This type of object is called cognate object. इस तरीके के objects को हम लोग cognate objects बोलते हैं. Right? For example, she sang a song. He fought a good fight. He sleeps a sound sleep. Right? So, that was all about the chapter verbs. I hope you all have read with it and you all got the things well. So, that was all about the chapter. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.